Hey, what's up everybody? My brother gave me this RC toy boat because he isn't using it anymore. It's just boring because it's so slow. So I thought, let's make some boat modifications and turn this into a speedboat. I removed all those bad electronics and this is now empty, so let's put some real electronics in. I made it to my grandparents and they have a really nice lake in the village, so I will go there and make a first test run with my boat. The boat actually works pretty well, but the prop is turning to the left and then it tilts the boat to the right, so there gets water inside. I attached some trim tabs, so I hope they will solve the problem with the tilt. The boat works now actually pretty well with the trim tabs, but there's still coming water inside. I've put a big amount of hot glue here everywhere, so I hope the boat is now watertight. There was again water inside the boat and it isn't working, so I will go home and try to dry it and then let's see. I just can't get the boat sealed with this lid because the water is always coming in from the side, so I thought I would just take a box and cut off the bottom and then I will glue it onto the boat, so hopefully it will be waterproof then. I glued the box on and the ladybird, so hopefully this will give me luck and the boat.
So good, baby.
It seems like the ladybird isn't enough luck, because they're still getting water inside the boat. I tested it at home in our bathtub and sealed all the holes, and in the end it was actually pretty good, so I hope it will work now. This time there were only a few drops of water in the boat, but those probably came in when it flipped over. I've cut out 2 pieces of plastic and I will glue them on the trim tabs to increase the area, so hopefully they will remove the problem with tipping over. I've added 2 pieces of plastic to the trim tabs, so hopefully they will solve the problem with the flipping over. This time the boat worked really well, and I'm leaving for my grandparents, but I will go to Croatia, to the sea, so we can test it there more and get some cool footage. I made it to the sea and I drove around my boat about 5 days ago, but then suddenly when the battery was almost empty it stopped to work, and I took it out of the water and it was smoking. So I thought, what can I do? I called some shops all around here in Croatia, but they all told me you can't get a receiver here. So we will leave again and then I will drive it in some lake home. Yeah, see you there. This boat was definitely so much fun, and if you like this project then come on, give a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. So I'll see you soon. Bye.